Hey and welcome. In this section, we will learn how to build getting sunset time in your city. The idea of this application will be in this way. You enter your city name like Rochester in New York and you click get sunset. What the application will do, he will call RESTful API, which is Yahoo Weather, and he will get a result as a JSON. Then he from this JSON he get the sunrise time and he show it to you here. So the idea behind this section, you will learn how to work with XML and JSON, then how to do HTTP calls to get from your phone to get a result, also you will learn about synchronous tasks, something working in background. Then you will learn how to retrieve the JSON data from a RESTful web service and read it and show it in your app. So let's get started step by step.